Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, nandito ako ngayon sa kusina kasi magluluto ako. So I just had my online class and nagutom ako. So pagluluto ako na rin yung family ko ng favorite merienda nila, which is the cheesy egg sandwich. Actually, this is inspired by the McDonald's cheesy egg desal. But disclaimer, hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung gamit ng McDonald's na ingredients. But yung mga gagamitin kong ingredients ay based lang kung ano yung meron kami dito sa bahay, kung ano yung mga nahalungkat ko. So before I start cooking, shoutout muna kay Cherry. Siya yung nag-request ng cooking vlog and ito ay para sa'yo.
So the first ingredient that we need is of course the bread. Any bread will do, but for us kasi ito yung available. Actually, paubos na nga to. Tasty yung available, so yan gagamitin ko. And then, tong butter. Next is tong cheese. Any brand will do as long as nagme-melt siya kasi mas masarap na melted yung cheese sa egg. And then, I have here the sliced cheese. The sausage, yung gagamitin ko is itong Vienna sausage. And then, I have the sliced Vienna sausage here. And the eggs. It's a scramble to, guys. So, let's get started.
So I just preheated the pan. So ayan, ready na to. And then I'll just put butter.
For our bread. Spread lang itong butter. With the bread. Yung next na gagawin natin is the egg naman. So I have here the beaten egg and I'll just fry it here. Kapag hindi pa ganun kaluto yung egg, ilalagay na yung cheese para makapit na siya dun sa egg. Wait 4 minutes para maluto siya at mag-melt din yung cheese. So ito, medyo luto na yung egg natin. So we'll just spread the cheese, yung melted cheese para even yung distribution niya dun sa egg. Fold the egg. Egg with cheese natin and we'll just put it here. Pinold ko lang ng ganito guys para kasya siya dun sa sandwich. So we will just repeat the process for the rest of the sandwiches and I'll be back.
A few moments later.
So have you been, AJ? Stop jumping, AJ. Say hi. AJ, say hi. Look at here. AJ, look at here. Oh, hi. Say hi. What are you doing? Huh? What? Smile, AJ. AJ, say hi. AJ.
So our eggs with cheese are done. So the next step is to fry the sausages. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, hindi ako gumamit ng oil or butter para i-fry itong sausages. Kasi itong pan namin, hindi na kailangan ng oil or butter. Naluluto na siya and healthier yun para sa kakain. Just try this. So okay na yung sausage natin. Lagay ko lang muna ulit ito sa bowl. Kasi i-arrange ko siya sa sandwich. Gumagamit ng ketchup or mayonnaise kasi yung cheese na yun, flavorful na kasi yung cheese. Hindi ko na prefer na gumamit pa ako ng ketchup or mayo. So, ayan. Tapos na ang pag-aayos natin ng sausages dito sa sandwich. So, itong natira, of course, kakainin ko na. So, for our last step, kumain pa ako, sorry. So, for our last step, gagawin na natin yung bread para dun sa, para matakpan yung sandwich natin. Same process din siya nung una, butter and then yung bread. So, let's go. Just spread the butter.
Few inches later.
You want bread? Yes. You go sit on your high chair na. Oh, how is it? How does it taste? Yummy? How does it taste? I will be ending the vlog here. I hope na nakatulong yung recipe ko kasi alam kong marami sa atin yung nakakamiss na lang ng Mcdo. And shoutout nga pala kay Dana Garcia, nakababata ko. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. If you want to see more of my cooking vlogs, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!